Today I have a super simple but crazy effective exercise for you. This is the farmer's carry. So you can do a farmer's carry with either dumbbells or a barbell, but you should really have weights with this. In fact, you could even use maybe 2 kettlebells if you'd like. A farmer's carry is going to be an exercise where literally you're walking with your weight. So I'm gonna grab a pair of dumbbells, and you can have these as light or as heavy as you personally need. But as you go down to pick up your dumbbells, I want you to keep your chest lifted and avoid arching over to really that can strain your back. So I'm gonna grab my dumbbells, and as you stand up with those, make sure you're lifting up with your legs. Now, this is pretty straightforward for a farmer's carry, but you're gonna keep your chest lifted, abs nice and tight, and head up. So I'm gonna start to the side here. Literally, as you turn to the side, you're stepping forward, carrying the weight as you go, and then flipping around and coming back with it. So what you want to consider here is that your lower abs should be nice and tight. Your chest remains lifted through each pace, and you keep the dumbbells straight at your side. Okay, it doesn't get more straightforward than that, but this is a functional exercise that you can modify over time depending on your strength. All right, that is a farmer's carry with dumbbells.